Hello students, I believe you are all on the top of the world. Today we are going to learn 7th unit poem. The topic is the Stick Together Families. Okay, the Stick Together Families written by Edgar Albert Guest. Edgar Albert Guest. Clear? The Stick Together Families written by Edgar Albert Guest. Fine? Please all of you take your textbook and flip the page number at 190. The Stick Together Families. Let's take a look at the glossary part quickly. Conventions. What's the meaning of conventions? See, before that, stick together. What's the meaning of stick together? It refers to the joint family. Okay, do you know I hope you know the difference between joint family and nuclear family. Okay, so it refers to the joint family. Okay, it's talk about the joint family. Fine. Conventions. Flip the page number 92, 192. Conventions meaning the large formal meeting of people who have a similar interest. See here in this poem it refers joint family, all the people. See in joint family, parents, children, grandparents, great grandparents, grandchildren, all together they live in a house, right? That is joint family. So this people, at the evening they get together and they talk, share, have fun, everything goes on, right? That is what formal meeting. Okay, all together, get together, right? Convention, a large formal meeting of people who have a similar interest. Then shatter, to break suddenly into very small pieces. See, shatter meaning, for example, there are people, nowadays this joint family break into pieces, right? All the people come and they just move away, right, with their husband, separate families. That is what shatter, which means break into pieces, right? Break suddenly into small pieces. Then astray, away from the correct path or correct way of doing something. See, in the joint family, there are people, elders are there to guide us, right? They are the guiding light for us. But at the same time, in the nuclear family, the people, they just go on their way. They find their own happiness. They move away. Okay, that is what it says here. Away from the correct way. They just go on their own way. But in joint family, it's not like that. They need to consider about the elders, parents, grandparents, everybody, right? But nuclear family, not like that. That's what it says here. Away from the correct path or correct way of doing something. Mirth meaning laughter, humor, happiness. Definitely abundance of happiness we get from the joint family, right? Mirth meaning happiness. Then comrade meaning a friend, a good companion. Definitely we get a good companion in the joint family. Clear? This is what the meaning of this words. Please learn all these words. Then let's get specific. The Stick Together Families. Author is the Edgar Albert Guest. Fine. At the heart of life lie the relationship you have with other people. Definitely, if you want to build up or maintain a relationship, definitely we should have some quality, right? For example, respecting each other, being honest, many qualities we should cultivate. Then only we can maintain the relationship like everlast. Okay. Then at the heart of life lie the relationship you have with other people. Definitely it's deep in heart, right? This love and affection, everything. With family, classmates, friends, close by and far away. This relationship not only with the family, friends, relatives, far away people, everybody, right? It consider all the people. All relationship are based on some commonly accepted values like, see, definitely to maintain all the relationship, friendship, relatives, neighbors, all the relationship, definitely we need some values, maintain some values, right, to maintain this relationship. For example, what are the values? Respect, honesty, consideration, and commitment. Definitely, all these bonds are very important to maintain a relationship, right? Then think about all the important relationship in your life and to complete the table given below. See below. Exercises given, one activity given, just to think about yourself and you analyze yourself and fill the columns. Okay, then let's move the poem. It is not a memory poem, okay, so you no need to learn this poem. See, stick together family usually all the people, morning till evening they work hard, right? But in the evening, this joint family people, all people, they just get together and they have fun. They be very happy, right? In the evening, they share everything. Then they, if they have any problem, they could share. They get solution, guidance, everything, right? But at the same time, in the what is nuclear family, they don't share that much. They just all the time, people nowadays spend maximum time with mobile phone, right? They sit alone. They need to be alone. All the people nowadays, they need to be alone, right? Father, mother, kid, one maximum 1 or 2 kid only. They separate and they just play with the mobile. They have they maintain friendship strangers, okay, through Facebook, WhatsApp, like this. Then at last, what do they gain? Full of displeasure and disappointment only. Do you get it? That's what the main concept here. Then, first stanza. See, the stick together families are happier by far than the brothers and the sisters who take separate highways are. Here, stick together family, it's the happiest one. The maximum amount of happiness we get from here. At the same time, this what is nuclear family, brother, sister, they go on their own way, right? Then the brothers and the sisters who take separate highway are, they don't, no need to consider anybody at their house, right? They just whatever they like, they do it. If they like someone, they just move away. They seek happiness from far places and with the strangers, right? Then the gladdest people living are the wholesome folk. Wholesome meaning, giving health. See, happiest people, those who are in the joint family, they could maintain health, okay. Healthy relationships they maintain and they are so happy. Fine. Gladdest people living are the wholesome folks who make a circle at the fireside that no power but death only can break. See, happiest people after their work, they get together and they share everything, they be happy, they have fun. So no one can separate them except death. Do you get? Then, and the finest of conventions, convention already I told you, right, that meeting, formal meeting, ever held beneath the sun are the little family gathering when the busy day is done. After their busy work, busy day is done, all these people, all the family members, they just get together and have fun. That's what says, that meeting, right, formal meeting, conventions. I hope you understand this first stanza. Let me read again. Please read along with me silently. The stick together families are happier by far than the brothers and the sisters who take separate highway are. The gladdest people living are the wholesome folk, folk meaning people, okay, who make a circle at the fireside that no power but death can break. And the finest of conventions ever held beneath the sun are the little family gathering when the busy day is done. Clear? After this hectic schedule, okay, after their work, busy day, hectic day, okay, after that they just get together and have fun. All the kids also so busy with other kids, one another, and they have fun each other. There is no worry, okay. Yeah, there are people, these kids all around them, there are elders, parents, grandparents, all are ready to console them, solving all the problems. So they don't get that much problems around them. Do you get? Then next stanza. There are rich folk and poor folk. See, folk meaning people. There are people, some are rich, then poor. Right? Poor and rich people are around us who imagine they are wise and they are very quick to shatter all the little family style. Nowadays, there are people, they are thinking when they get married, they just separate, break the family, right? Joint family, then they move away separately. They are thinking what they are doing is right. They are thinking they are wise, they are intelligent, but absolutely wrong, right? That's what says here. There are people, whoever it is, rich or poor, okay, what they are doing, they just get into a joint family and break it, shatter that, and they just move away, separate them. They are thinking that's what correct, and what they are doing is right. Clear? Then each goes searching after pleasure in his own selected way. Each with a stranger like to wander, and with the strangers like to play. See, each people, what do they are doing? They are not finding happiness within the family. They are going after the happiness. Okay. See, for example, strangers. Even if friends also, Facebook, WhatsApp, even we haven't met them. Right? Like that friendship, we are maintaining such kind of friendship and we are going after them. We are thinking if we visit mall or some other places, wherever it is, beach or whatever places, we get happiness there only. We are thinking, we set our mind and we are running after the happiness. If we go there, we get happiness. Like that, people are thinking and running after it. Do you get? Each goes searching after pleasure. Okay, they are not finding happiness where they are searching, right? Pleasure. And with the strangers, own selected way, in his own selected way, they have their own wishes. They just move on in that way. Each with the strangers like to wander, with the strangers like to play. People are like to spend their time with the strangers, whoever it is, friends. Then they are like to play with them. Do you get? Then, but it's bitterness they harvest. But at the end, what will happen? They get displeasure and disappointment only. Nothing else they are going to get, right? But it's bitterness and bitterness they harvest. And it's empty joy they find. It's empty only, empty joy. Sometimes it would be for a while, but after that, everything vanish, right? Small misunderstanding is enough, right, to shatter everything. For the children that are wisest are the stick together family. Those who are in the stick together, I mean joint family, they are the wisest people. They get all the happiness, all the fun in that family. Do you understand? Comparing this nuclear family. There are people, they find their own happiness in their own way, right? Comparing them, the joint family kids, children, whoever it is, they find full-fledged happiness in that particular family. Understand? That's what it says in the second stanza. There are rich folk, there are poor folk who imagine they are wise, and they are very quick to shatter all the little family's ties that bond, okay? Then each goes searching after pleasure in his own selected way. Each with the strangers like to wander, and with the strangers like to play. They like to play and to spend their time with strangers. But it's a bitterness they harvest. At the end, only displeasure, okay? And it's empty joy they find. Nothing is there, everything is vain, right? Small misunderstanding is enough, right? Just they say hi, bye, that's it. We cannot bond, we get that much bond from the strange friendship, right? For the children that are wisest or stick together kind. Do you get? The next stanza. There are some who seem fancy that for gladness they must roam. That for smiles that are the brightest they must wander far from home. See, yeah, already I mentioned this. There are people, they are thinking, when they go far away places like forest, anywhere, far away places like mall, beach, any place, they are thinking we get happiness from that particular place only. Do you think? This is what people are thinking. There are some who seems fancy for that gladness that they must roam. They need to roam. Roam means wander with the people. When they wander with their friends, strangers, they get happiness. Like that they are thinking. Okay. That for smiles that are the brightest, they must wander far from home. They don't like to spend their time at home. Okay. They need to wander far places. Like that they are wandering. They are thinking. They design their mind. What is they find happiness in that only. Do you get it? That the strange friend is the true friend and they travel far astray. They are thinking strange friend is the true friend. Do you get? One who is around them, they are not ready to believe or they are not ready to spend their time. They are thinking one who is far away, that friend, particular person is trustworthy for them. Blindly they are believing. Okay, then they are going after it, travel far astray. Far astray meaning off track. They are going on wrong way. Okay, their mindset is completely wrong, right? Yes, then they waste their lives and striving for joy that's far away. Yeah, absolutely, they are wasting their time. They are finding happiness far away places and to strange people, right? They are not ready to find happiness. Those who are around them, so close to them, they are not ready to spend their time. Fine, but the gladdest sort of people, when they busy day is done, or the brothers and the sisters who together share their, actually the good people, what do? They find happiness after their dead. Whoever else, kids go to school after, when they get back, or parents, they go for work, when they get back all together, get together, right? Fireplace, the courtyard, front yard, such kind of beautiful place. Just they get together and they have good talk, they share their problems, they have fun. That is what real happiness. Not like finding happiness far away places. That's waste of money, waste of energy, waste of time. We don't get trustworthy, a quality of friends or any relationship, right? That's what says here. I hope you get this stanza. There are some who seems to fancy that one gladness they must roam, that for smiles that are the brightest they must wander far from home. They get happy smiles, everything when they go away, right? That the strange friend is the true friend and they travel far astray. They waste their lives as striving for a joy that's far away. When they do adventures, when they spend their time with the strangers, they are thinking that I get a happiness, I'm happy, like that they are thinking. Okay, they consider themselves like that. Then, but the gladdest sort of people, actually the real happiest people, when the busy day is done, are the brothers and the sisters who together share their fun. Clear? Then last stanza. It is the stick-together family that wins the joy of earth. Actually, this joint family, they attain the heavenly happiness actually. Okay, then that hears the sweetest music and that finds the finest mirth. Actually, this people, those who are in the joint family, they could hear sweet all the time. This house is noisy, right? But at the same time, the nuclear are full of dead silence. Comparing that, this joint family full of noisy, and they prepare something all the time. They are so busy and they chat. Okay. Chatterbox are there, right? So it is the stick together family that wins the joys of earth, that hears the sweetest music and they find finest mirth. Mirth meaning happiness. Yeah, fully complete happiness they get from this. Definitely, of course, I don't deny that problems are there. Yet they could be happy. They one another console their each other and they can be. Right? That's what. Then it's the old home. Old home, that old home, it looks so pretty. Roof that shelters all the charm that life can give. There you find the gladdest playground or the happiest spot to live. See this old house, that is the greatest spot to. Spot means place. To live happily. Okay, we can find happiest moment there. That is the right place to live. Okay, playground to play with the kids, children. Okay, then and oh weary, wandering brothers. Finally, this two stanza conclude that oh weary. Weary means tired. There are people, they are running after the pleasure. They get tired of it, right? Yeah, wandering brothers. If contentment meaning satisfaction. Okay, you would win. Yeah, if you want satisfaction, you just get back. Okay, come back. Come you back unto the fireside and be comrade with your kin. Yeah, here this author is saying, those who are wandering, okay, there are people running after their pleasure, right? With the strangers. So this author is calling them back. If you want real satisfaction, real happiness, you just get back to join family. Definitely you will get abundance of love, affection and care you get here, right? And to fireside, you just sit fireside, gather around that and you just share. Okay, spend your time. Then with your comrade meaning friendship, and your kin meaning relatives. Okay, so you just come back and spend your time with your friends and relatives. Here you get real happiness instead of wandering and running after someone else like strangers. Clear? That's what it says. I hope understand this last stanza. Let me read. It's the stick together family that wins the joys of earth, that hears the sweetest music and that finds the finest mirth. It's the old home roof that shelters all the charm that life can give. You definitely, this old house, it give life for us. Do you get? If you spend there, definitely you get real happiness from there. There you find the gladdest playground, their happiest spot to live. That is what a small stream would be there. We can run here and there, no restriction. Definitely, there are people, not only our parents, uncle, aunt, grandparents, all take care of us, right? So that is the spot really you have to live. All guide us. They all teach some values to us. We can learn how to respect others, being honest. All the values definitely we could learn from this joint families. But nuclear family, what the people are doing, just they sit in a room and they just scroll the mobile. Whoever comes and goes, they don't bother about us. Actually, that is not the life, right? That's what says here. Oh, weary, wandering brother, if contentment you would win. If you want real satisfaction, satisfactory life, come you back unto fireside and be comrade with your skin. Yes, you just come back and mingle, be with your friends and relatives. That is what real happiness. I hope you understand this. Clear? That is the happiest moment, delightful moment in your life. What is being in this traditional home. Okay, traditional home is the best place to live with all the people. Do you get? Yeah, please go through this 2-3 times and I hope you understand the content of this theme of this poem. So don't forget the assignment. You have to write the main theme in your own words. Clear? Read this at least 3 times. So don't forget this poem name, okay, headline and its author. Who's the author of this poem? Edgar Albert Guest. Clear? Then fill this activity. Please analyze yourself and fill this activity. Okay, relationship, grandparents, parents, siblings. Sibling means brother and sister. Okay, then friends, teachers. What I have, what I value the most about this relation. What are the values? How do you value? Okay, what are the things that may do cause unpleasant in this relationship? Yes, definitely we should maintain respect. Okay, that's very important. Some unpleasant situation come across. How do you manage that? What could I do to improve this relationship? Yes, what are the steps you could supposed to take to improve all this relationship, right? We should not shatter any relationship. It's very important. Clear? I stop here. Read this, learn all the question answers, do all the exercises, the book back exercises, okay, with the help of guide. Thank you. Meet you in the next class.